Hello everyone, my name is Weiwei Li, member of Lexington Recreation Committee. I will present you the Article 12K, Municipal Capital Projects and Equipment, Lincoln Park Parking Lot Design Funds. Funding request is $375,000. This request is for an appropriation of funds for the design and engineering services for the Lincoln Park parking lot. The funds will be used to produce a final project design and project cost estimate in preparation for an appropriation request at future annual town meeting. This capital project will be completed in coordination with a project to install solar over the parking lot, if solar is found to be feasible at this location. The 2024 Lincoln Park Master Plan identified the parking lot to be a key element throughout the process, highlighting safety issues and concerns with the current configuration. The 2024 solar study produced two conceptual solar canopy designs, one that covers the entire lot, similar to the police station, and one that covers only the parking spaces, not the drive aisles. The study revealed that both options provide a short payback period. Stakeholders included LHS Athletics, Lexington United Soccer Club, Lexington Youth Lacrosse, Lexington Little League, Recreation, DPW, Lincoln Park Subcommittee, and Transportation Safety Group. This slide shows the overall picture of the parking lot. The parking lot has 179 total parking spaces at Lincoln Park. Of these, 8 are accessible. The spaces at Lincoln Park are 8 foot wide and 19 foot long as painted. Per the Town of Lexington's current zoning code, new nosing parking spaces are to be 9 foot wide and 19 foot long. There is no dedicated area for drop-off or loading. Some parking spaces have been removed in front of the restroom building, and the parking has been restricted through the use of striping and no parking signage, which allows for some dedicated loading access. There are dispersed bike racks near the parking area, but no centralized bike parking or bike racks adjacent to the community path. Increasing bike access to the park has been a priority in Lexington, and new, clearly marked bike parking is being considered in the future renovation projects. Need and conditions. The current parking lot and traffic flow has been problematic for many years due to the size of the spaces and the entry-exit points. The TSG Transportation Safety Group has assessed the parking lot and agrees that improvements are needed to improve the flow and minimize the safety concerns. Vehicles enter the parking lot through a one-way driveway with no-zone parking. Circulation into the central parking lot is two-way. Asphalt in the driveway area is generally in fair condition, with signs of standard wear including cracking and potholes. Many patches are evident where this wear has been addressed. There's no edge protection within this area at either the driveway or the parking spaces, and the edges of pavement are prone to crumbling. There's also no protection for adjacent landscape areas, and accidental traffic over these areas leads to compaction and erosion. The high demand for parking increases stress on the edges as cars are often informally parallel parked against or on top of the landscape areas. This community park is used year-round, from dawn to dusk, for both active and passive recreation. This includes organized youth and adult sports teams on the 5 athletic fields for practices and games. The community playground for children aged from 2 to 12, fitness stations, and the nature paths, the granite forest, and the story walk. The park has extended hours during daylight savings when the athletic lighting on the athletic fields are in use. Access. A paved community path runs from Watson Road to Middleby Road behind the fields and is frequently used by pedestrians and cyclists. The community path is not only currently connected to any of the former paved walkways or entry points within Lincoln Park, which limits access to the park for cyclists. There is also no dedicated bike entrance or signage linking the path to Lincoln Street, and the bike circulation along Lincoln Street is only formalized through shared lane markings. On the adjacent Hayden Recreation Center property, a system of wooden boardwalks provides circulation through the wetlands. The boardwalks can be accessed from the stone dust across Lexington Pass through the passive use areas, the community path, Watson Road, and the Hayden Recreation Center ball fields. Thank you, and we ask for your support of this funding request.